In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best induction cooktops. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 5 best induction cooktops. Number 5. Frigidaire FGIC3666TB. The Frigidaire FGIC3666TB Gallery 36-inch induction cooktop delivers lightning-fast performance and even heating at a price that's hard to beat. With 5 powerful induction zones and a stylish vitroceramic glass surface, this cooktop is built for both speed and elegance. It uses advanced auto-sizing pan detection to target heat only where your cookware sits, reducing wasted energy and ensuring consistent results. Plus, the cool-to-touch surface makes it much safer, especially in households with kids. Beyond performance, it's designed with convenience in mind. Spills don't bake onto the surface, making cleanup quick and easy. The cooktop is also approved for installation above any Frigidaire single-wall oven, giving you flexible design options for your kitchen setup. If you're ready to step up your cooking game with an affordable and effective induction option, the Frigidaire Gallery is a reliable and user-friendly choice you'll enjoy for years to come. Number 4. LG Studio LSCE365ST. The LG Studio LSCE365ST takes cooking to new heights with a blend of advanced features and sleek design. With 5 radiant elements, smooth-touch glass controls, and triple-Dutch dual-zone cooktops, it's ready for everything from simmering sauces to searing steaks. The steady heat technology delivers precise, consistent heat, eliminating the guesswork so your dishes turn out just right. Its sophisticated black and stainless steel design adds a luxurious feel to any countertop, while the ADA-compliant controls ensure accessibility for all users. What truly sets this cooktop apart is its versatility. From a warm function for leftovers to a bridge element that connects 2 burners for longer pans and griddles, LG thought of it all. The hot surface indicators and child lock feature also provide added safety. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the flat ceramic glass surface. Just a simple wipe and you're done. Whether you're cooking solo or hosting a dinner party, the LG Studio Cooktop delivers the performance and elegance that today's kitchens demand. Number 3. Samsung NZ36C706 ABK/AA. The Samsung NZ36C706 ABK/AA 30-inch smart induction cooktop brings next-level tech into your kitchen. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity and 4 responsive induction burners, this cooktop allows you to monitor and control it remotely through the SmartThings app. It's perfect for those moments when you're not sure if you turned it off or want to get dinner started before you even step foot in the kitchen. Power Boost mode on each burner lets you boil water in record time, and precise temperature control ensures you never over or undercook anything again. This cooktop is just as smart when it comes to efficiency. By heating only your cookware and not the surface, it minimizes wasted energy and keeps the cooktop cool to the touch, reducing the risk of burns and mess. The smooth black glass surface and digital glass touch controls offer an elegant and easy-to-clean design. For tech-savvy home cooks who love speed, safety, and convenience, the Samsung Smart Induction Cooktop is an excellent addition to any modern kitchen. Number 2. GEPHP9036SJSS. The GEPHP9036SJSS is a powerhouse in a refined stainless steel package. With 5 powerful induction elements and a standout 3,700-watt burner, this cooktop is built for speed and versatility. It features pan-size sensors that automatically adjust the heat based on the pan's diameter, ensuring even and efficient cooking. The sink burner function is a game changer for griddles or oversized pans. 2 burners can sync together to heat one large area evenly. And with its ATA-compliant design and GE fits, guarantee, installation, and usability are worry-free. Beyond performance, GE adds style and thoughtful design to the mix. The red LED display gives a clean, modern look, and the built-in kitchen timer helps keep your dishes perfectly timed. Whether you're boiling water in a flash or delicately melting chocolate, you'll appreciate the responsiveness and energy-saving benefits of induction technology. With quality construction and features aimed at enhancing your culinary experience, this GE cooktop is a favorite for busy home chefs who want both function and form. Number 1. Bosch Benchmark Induction Cooktop. If you're looking for a sleek, high-performance induction cooktop that blends seamlessly into any modern kitchen, the Bosch Benchmark Induction Cooktop is an outstanding choice. Known for its precision and power, this cooktop delivers rapid heating and pinpoint control so you can sauté, simmer, or sear like a pro. With flex induction zones, you're free to cook with any pot or pan shape. Just place it anywhere within the zone and let the cooktop adapt. The touch-sensitive controls and beautiful black ceramic glass surface not only look great, but are incredibly intuitive and easy to clean. This cooktop isn't just about power, it's about smart, efficient cooking. Features like Auto Chef help maintain consistent temperatures for perfect results, while the Home Connect feature allows remote monitoring and control from your smartphone. Whether you're preparing a quick weekday dinner or entertaining guests with a gourmet spread, the Bosch Benchmark ensures your cooking experience is fast, safe, and satisfying. For anyone who values high-end kitchen appliances with intelligent design, this is a top-tier investment. Whether you're after smart connectivity, rapid heat control, or a sleek, easy-to-clean design, there's a cooktop on this list that's perfect for your kitchen. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.